Hi everyone, my name is Saurabh. I am the Senior South Asia representative for Cambrian College, Canada. Cambrian College is located in Sudbury and we are the largest college in Northern Ontario. We are home to 5,000 plus students coming in from 70 plus different countries. We are offering 70 plus career-led programs in diverse areas like health sciences, business and IT, engineering, skilled trades, community service, and many more. Cambrian has been working very closely with Canam for a long period of time, and we have had good experiences with their team. And I would recommend you can consider Canam for your application process. Fortunately, we are attending the Canam's Canadian University Fair in September. So please book an appointment with Cambrian College, test number 100, with your Canam counselor and meet me in person to get all your queries sorted out. Looking forward to meeting you all. All the best.